Frank is cutting back the sill plate so that we can replace that, and it will cover all of this area, and it will go to that, and that way this area is then complete and we shouldn't have to revisit it. Correct? Yay! So this is again another permanent fix. Well, it's exciting. Everybody's excited that we're doing permanent fixes. The reoccurring theme with the roof.
It's all jacked up.
We have to jack this rafter up so we can pull that one over there out and slide the new one in. As you can see, it's pulling. This one's now loose. This one's now loose. So, because we need that area up. You need a hammer pulling the toenails. We got the nails out. Ooh, up it goes.
You gotta get in there, baby.
Yeah. There's half of it. Looking for active termites.
I don't think there's any.
I don't think so either.
I think they gave up on this corner a long time ago. It was too wet.
It was too wet. Yeah, they drowned. The termites drowned. One piece at a time. Little Johnny Cash. There we go.
Johnny Cash?
One piece at a time? Yeah, because he was building a car. He worked in a car plant and he brought a piece home.
One piece at a time.
Yeah.
Ooh, that sounds solid.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah. All right. It's smoking.
Okay.
That was weird. Again, here's a shot of what we rebuilt, and it looks really good. You can tell what's old and what's new.
Not for long.
But looks nice.
I'm gonna make it dirty like this, and then you won't be able to tell.
Put a little mud on it. Now you'll never know.
That's what I'm gonna do.
So.
You laugh.
But.
That's what's coming.
I know.
I learned it from Mike Haddock.
Yep. Gotta
Masonry.
Masonry expert out of where?
He lives in Pennsylvania. And what works in Pennsylvania doesn't necessarily work in Florida. What works in Florida doesn't necessarily work in Virginia.
Okay. But we're not in Virginia.
Ain't no big deal. He's got teeth.
All right, it's all cleaned up out of there. We still have to get a couple nails, but here we go.
We're about to use some of our salvaged lumber. This is a nice big 2x12 antique style. And since it looks old, we're gonna use it for that sill plate.
It'll work great.
I don't remember where this one came from.
That in Shelbyville. That's where these came from.
But they're heart pine, so they'll be perfect for what we need them for.
Right.
So let me. It's always nice to be able to use some of this salvaged wood we have.
And that's pretty stuff.
It's definitely heart pine.
Yeah. Look how, again, look how pretty that is and how tiny those rings are.
And we're gonna use it for framing lumber.
I know. But it is what it is.
Because it looks good.
Yeah.
That's exactly what we need.
May look rough, but it's pretty. All right, here we go.
We'll find out.
All right, we had to add a second jack just to lift this rafter right here. It was just a hair too long, I guess.
Well, it had settled, I'm sure.
Right, I'm sure. And so we're gonna put our heart pine in there.
So I'm trying to figure out what side would that look better
On the inside.
on the outside. Let's try it both ways.
All right. It's catching on that nail. Okay.
Does that look better like this, or would it look better having? I think that would look better.
I agree. I think it would look better on the back side. One of the nails in that rafter that was just a hair too long, just we couldn't get the nail out very good. He's gonna try to bend that nail. Push it up into the, there you go. So, all right. Exciting.
How's it look, Barbie?
It looks great.
It looks old too.
Yeah. It's not quite as thick as the other one though.
I had to make it like that.
Okay. All right.
I decided to make it like that because
Okay.
of the,
Boy, that light right there just, there we go. And that's part is gone back here, so that's what it was supposed to look like. I think it looks fantastic. So now that that's in place, we're gonna put one right there.
Find out how much we need, and if it's.
Yay! And there's the back view. I'd much rather have that not in the front. All right. Looks good. All right.
What do you think?
Okay.
I mean, it doesn't really even have to be there.
No, not really. Because it's not, that one's not holding anything. But, all right. And down the jack goes. Is there still pressure on that other one? Because...
Well, I know, because right now we have it a little higher than it needs to be.
Oh, that's true. I forgot.
Don't panic.
All right.
We have that
Oh, yeah.
up a little higher than it needs to be. It can come down an inch, and that's going to put pressure back on this corner
Okay.
after we get it set.
Okay.
I'm excited about it.
Yeah, I think it looks good. Once we have it set back down where it's supposed to be, then we'll screw the rafters into the sill plate. Correct? Yeah. Okay. Looks good. Exciting. It's a far cry from what this corner used to look like, that's for sure.